In today's video, I'll show you how to manage user roles and permissions in WordPress so you can keep your website secure and well organized. WordPress uses a built-in role system that controls what users can see and do on your site. Each role comes with specific permissions which helps prevent unwanted changes and keeps everything running smoothly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. Open Settings, then click General. Here, you'll see the New User Default Role option. This setting decides which role is automatically assigned when someone registers on your site. It's usually set to subscriber, but you can change it based on your needs. Once selected, save your changes. Now let's quickly review the main user roles. Administrators have full control over the website. Editors can manage and publish content created by others. Authors can publish and manage their own posts. Contributors can write posts but cannot publish them. Subscribers have the most limited access and can only manage their profiles. To change roles for existing users, go to the Users section in your dashboard. You will see a list of all users on your site. Click on a user to edit their profile. Choose a new role from the role menu and then click Update User to save the changes. If you need more control, you can install a plugin like User Role Editor, which allows you to customize permissions or create new roles. This is especially useful for larger or more complex websites. Always follow the principle of least privilege by giving users only the access they need. This helps protect your site and reduces mistakes. That's it. You now know how to manage user roles and permissions in WordPress. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more WordPress tutorials.